Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past events on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see what events you attended previously, or you basically just want to go ahead and get some sort of confirmation code from a previous event. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but let's go ahead and get started. First, what you're going to do is hop onto your Ticketmaster account and then click on My Account. Next, you want to click on Past Events, which is located on this toggle button under My Tickets. So click on Past Events. So here is where you're going to see all your past events. Okay, so these are some past events which I recently attended. And so right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past events on Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But in addition to the past events, guys, you could also see your upcoming events as well if you click on this tab here. But that is essentially how to go ahead and navigate all the different buttons that appear under My Tickets. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.